Welcome to Denver Dashcam 365. Welcome to Denver Dashcam 365. Please smash a like. Subscribe if you like the video. Most importantly, you want to catch new videos, gotta turn on all notifications. Thank you guys. Let's go. Driving towards downtown Denver. Let's go.
Exit the parking lot toward North Federal Boulevard.
It's gonna be that.
Head south on North Federal Boulevard. Head toward West Colfax Avenue. Head south on North Federal Boulevard. In 600 feet, slight right onto the I-70 Business Loop East, US 40 East ramp. Slight right onto the I-70 Business Loop East ramp, then merge onto US 287 South. Continue on US 287 South for 1.5 miles.
Meow wolf, meow wolf, meow, meow.
seconds to turn left onto Welton Street. At the light, turn left onto Welton Street. In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.